Today I'm cooking stir-fried Thai green curry pork belly. It's creamy, rich, mildly spicy, and super delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. Sprinkle 2/3 teaspoons of salt in 2 batches over 300 grams of pork belly slices. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 160 grams of homemade green curry paste. While the oil is still cool, give it a light stir to mix for about 2 minutes or until evenly combined. Add 3 pieces of half Kaffir lime leaves and 4 to 5 pieces of half fingerroots. Stir to mix for 30 seconds or until well combined. After 30 seconds, the herbs and green curry paste have started to release their fragrance. Add all the pork belly, 50 grams of turkey berries, and 100 grams of purple eggplants. Give it a stir to evenly distribute all the ingredients. Cook it for 2 minutes or until the pork changes color. Stir often to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 2 minutes, the pork has turned grey. Add 200 ml of water and give it a stir to mix evenly. Cover the pan, let it simmer for 10 minutes or until the pork is soft. Make sure to stir often. After 10 minutes, the pork is cooked and the fragrance is so lovely. Add half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 150 grams of long beans. Stir to evenly combine the ingredients. Add 1 red chilli cut into strips, 5 pieces of half Kaffir lime leaves, and 4 to 5 pieces of half fingerroots. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 2 minutes. This cooks the long beans long enough for a crunchy texture. If you prefer softened long beans, simmer for 4 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the stir-fried Thai green curry is done. Give it a stir and a taste. Delicious! It's perfect now. Switch off the heat. Dish out the stir-fried Thai green curry pork belly and serve. Let's eat! Mildly spicy and creamy. The gravy is very aromatic with all the herbs. Thank you and bye-bye!